Hey guys, how are you all? Vivo is planning to launch two new phones in the month of April, that is Vivo Y5 and Vivo Y3. As Samsung Galaxy M series phones are performing well in the smartphone market, Vivo is planning to launch the Vivo Y5, which is a triple rear camera phone, to rival with the Samsung Galaxy M30. So let us see what this Vivo Y5 is coming with. Display of this phone is 6.35-inch IPS LCD display with HD plus resolution, as Samsung Galaxy M30 is coming with a full HD plus resolution, so Vivo has kept only HD plus resolution here. So this phone will be powered by an MediaTek Helio P35 processor, which is clocked at a speed of 2.3 GHz coupled with a 4 GB of RAM, so performance will be good in this phone. Talking about the main attraction thing in this mid-range phone is its triple camera, that is 13 MP plus 2 MP plus 8 MP of triple rear camera will be promising feature to take great pictures with lot of details. So it is having a good selfie camera of 16 MP to take best selfies possible with this mid-range phone. This phone will be powered by an 5000 mAh of huge battery, so fast charging will be there or not, because it is using a low end processor. We are not expecting fast charging here, so this phone is only providing a huge battery without any fast charging. So this phone will be priced around 15,000. Maybe we are expecting that it could be available for 13 to 15,000 and $200 in international market. The launch date of this phone is still we have a rumored launch date, so it is going to be launched on 15th of April 2019. So this is all about Vivo Wi-Fi. If you like the phone, if you like the video, please hit the like button. What do you feel about the phone? Please comment in the comment section, and please subscribe our channel and support. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.